How good is this place? I just woke up this morning and thought I'd go for a quick walk around the lake. We're down beside Lake Lyle's, actually where it joins up to the Coxs River in the Mount Walker region, just behind Lithgow. Now, this place is famous because it's got a lot of really tough tracks, a lot of big ruts, big rock steps, and super hard hills. But camping around here is nothing short of amazing. You know, if you've got the family and you want a few amenities, there's heaps of options for you. That's right on the lake, as you can imagine. So you wake up, you see the water, and it's also a free camp. So it ticks all our boxes, so we can literally get in our vehicles and hit the tracks within about 200 metres. How good's that? Now, I'll tell you what else is good. Ooh, listen to that. Being able to start your vehicle in the morning. Now, it's super important. I've been using my fridge, my camp lights, a stack of different 12-volt accessories, and I've always got the confidence that doesn't matter where I am in the remote sort of bush, I can turn that vehicle back on and it'll start. That's because I use a good quality dual battery system. Now, of course, you've seen this one before. It's REDARC Manager 30. Now, while a standard dual battery system will isolate your start battery and provide charge to your auxiliary battery, this one will do all that, but there's a few more advanced features that I absolutely love about this system. Now, it provides 30 amps of charge to my auxiliary battery. So that means when I'm idling around in 4 low, or you know, basically only turning the vehicle on for a few hours a day, I know I'm getting 30 amps of charge straight to my dual batteries, which will keep those batteries topped up, and it does it in such a safe method that will prolong the life of my batteries. Now, all up, controls the whole 12-volt system, which will essentially allow me to stay in places like this for as long as I want. But today, I'm not going to stay here for very long because I've got some tough tracks to drive. How good's that?